Regarding receptacle locations in a residential library, your understanding of Section 210.52 of the National Electrical Code is accurate. If a wall in the library is lined with bookshelves, these shelves are not considered an opening or break in the wall space as far as receptacle spacing is concerned. Therefore, you are required to install a receptacle outlet along that wall line, even if it ends up being located behind the bookshelves and potentially obstructed or unused. The code aims to ensure sufficient receptacle availability, regardless of immediate accessibility. While the receptacle might be hidden behind books and rarely used, its presence fulfills the code requirements for wall space coverage. The code doesn't specify that receptacles must be in easily accessible locations, only that they are installed according to regulations. Here are some additional considerations for receptacle placement in libraries to enhance usability while still meeting code. 1. Place receptacles in convenient locations where they will be easily accessible for use, keeping in mind the potential arrangements of furniture and equipment. 2. Consider the specific types of furniture and equipment likely to be used in the library, such as lamps, computers, or charging devices, and position receptacles accordingly. 3. If possible, install receptacles on multiple walls within the library to maximize access from various locations. 4. Explore using recessed receptacles or other concealing methods to minimize visual impact while maintaining functionality and code compliance.